Welcome to Mexican Food by Laura. My name is Laura and I'm going to teach you how to cook healthy Mexican food. Today we have a special guest. Let me introduce you. This is named Nopal. It's a Mexican cactus very well known for being high in fiber, low in calories, and the best miraculous part of this cactus is that it can actually help people with diabetes kind 2 to lower their sugar levels in their blood. So we're gonna make a green smoothie that you actually need to have with an empty stomach in the mornings, and you will see amazing results. So this is great for people with constipation, for people looking to have high energy during the day, and especially for people with diabetes and high cholesterol. So let's start. We're going to start by adding 2 cups of water, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 nopal leaf with no spikes, 1 celery stick, and let's blend all together until pulverized. Let me show you a trick. If you want to have this smoothie with fresh ingredients every morning, don't worry, just cut the nopal, cut the pineapple, the celery, and put them inside plastic bags. Just freeze them and have them ready every morning. Remember to follow me on my social media. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram as Mexican Food by Laura, and on my blog where I have more than 100 Mexican food recipes turned in a healthier version. So follow me everywhere and remember to subscribe because I have new recipes every Tuesday, every martes, amigos, here for you. So I hope you like it and share and like this video. Adios and see you next Tuesday.